Bas ymlaen, Tristan Jenkins! Yn tynnu'r ergyd tro dde heibio'r postyn. Samuel tu hwnt I Harry John. Mae'n groesiad da I lwybr Lewis Reid. Reid ar ei drod chwith. Yn tynnu'r bêl heibio'r postyn. Dyer chwaraeodd ar y lefel cyngrair y de tymor diwetha gyda Llansawel. Hawkins mlaen at Jenkins yn ei benio I nôl mewn ar peniad gan Ricky Watts yr eilydd. Peniad Jenkins ar draws a peniad Ricky Watts yn curo Luke Martin yn y gôl. Williams yn edrych i'r rhyddhau Tristan Jenkins oedd y bas wedi cael ei darllen yn dda gan Borg a mae wedi parhau a'i rediad Oscar Borg. Dim ond Martel Taylor Crostel sy'n yn y canol. Mae'n gofod troi am yn ôl I gadw'r meddiant, mae Dyer yno. Sgiliau hyfryd gan Harry John tu fewn at Borg. Borg yn helpu'r bêl mlaen. Taylor Crostel! Yn dyblu mantais Hwlffordd. A mae ganddyn nhw nawr un trod ym pedwaredd rownd Cwpan Cymru. Ac yn y diwedd, Martel Taylor Crostel yn torri calonnau Rhydaman.
Ricky Watts, many congratulations. You are today's Scorio Player of the Match. It was so important, wasn't it, to get the first goal today?
Oh, definitely. As you've seen during the game, they had two great chances here before the half time. You know, one of them going this back against the wall. But yeah, we got the first goal and then kicked on and got the second and then seen the game out. So yeah, important win. On to the next round.
We were more than in the game first half, and I think we probably had the best two chances in the first half, and I think if we can take one of them at least, and then obviously as the game goes on, you know, we'll have something to hold on to. But yeah, you know, we're disappointed in there, but I think, you know, it shows how far we've come as a team really. We competed with Haverfordwest for long periods of the game, but I think their quality showed in the end then.
Ricky Watts suggested that you were very cross at half-time. Is that an understatement?
Oh, we were very lucky to get in half-time 0-0. I thought Ammanford were very good. I knew the way they'd play, and they played exactly the same way as we'd said before the game and in training this week, and we give them opportunities, and fortunately they had a couple of opportunities that they didn't take. So at 0-0 we were in the game, and then, you know, luckily we scored a early goal second half, and then we settled down. But Ammanford give us a really tough test today, and we need to be better than that.
Pob clod I Hwlffordd, ti'n gwybod, mae'r reswm nhw yn y gyngrair uwchbenni, nhw'n cymryd y cyfleoedd nhw pryd dathon nhw. Ond siomedig, rili, achos sa'n gwneud lot o ymheiaeth, tawn ni oedd y tîm gorau yn y hanner cynta, ond a fe fi'n gweud oedd y digransaf yn Hwlffordd I cymryd y cyfleoedd nhw pryd rhaid.
Allai wedi bod mor wahanol eiros petai Tristan Jenkins a Lewis Reid wedi cymryd y cyfleoedd yna ar ddiwedd yr hanner cynta?
Yn gwmwys treni, achos fi'n credu bydden nhw I sgori elia un o'r golau yna, bydden nhw'n gêm wahanol, a bydden ni siŵr o fod gallu dod ei gilydd yn y ail hanner I cadw mlaen gyda'r canlyniad, ond na siomedig, ond dyna pêl-droed ar diwedd y dydd.